In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge not opening. If Edge won't launch or seems stuck in the background, the quickest and most reliable fix is to close any frozen Edge processes and give it a clean start. We'll do that using Task Manager, a built-in Windows tool that lets you see and stop apps that are misbehaving. First, open Task Manager. The fastest way is to press Ctrl, Shift, and ES on your keyboard at the same time. That shortcut opens Task Manager directly, even if a window is unresponsive. If you don't see the full view, look for the More Details option at the bottom and click it so you can see the Processes tab. That gives you a complete list of what's running right now. Next, find Microsoft Edge in the Processes list. It often appears under the Apps section near the top, and sometimes there may be multiple entries if several tabs or windows were open before it stopped responding. You might also see background entries for Edge farther down the list. If you're not sure where it is, you can sort by name to group everything together. Seeing more than one Edge process is normal. Browsers split tasks across multiple processes to keep things fast and secure. Now, right-click Microsoft Edge and choose End Task. This force closes the app and clears out anything that might be blocking it from starting correctly. If you notice multiple Microsoft Edge entries, go ahead and end task on each one until none remain. Don't worry. This doesn't uninstall anything or change your settings. It simply stops the stuck processes. If a download or form was in progress, it will close. But in most cases, Edge will offer to restore your tabs the next time it opens. With Edge fully closed, try opening it again like you normally would from the taskbar, the Start menu, or your desktop shortcut. Because we ended the frozen processes, Edge should now launch cleanly. You may see a prompt to restore your previous browsing session, which is helpful if you had important tabs open. That's all there is to it. Ending the task is a safe, quick fix whenever a browser or app won't open because a background process is hung up. Keep this technique in mind for future troubleshooting too. If Edge starts right up after these steps, you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to browsing without a hitch.